From vine to bottle, the journey of tomato ketchup involves several intriguing steps. Here's a breakdown of the ketchup making process. 1. Harvesting tomatoes. To make tomato ketchup, firstly, perfect quality tomatoes are harvested. Tomatoes must be free from insects or diseases and have good flavor and color. Tomatoes are usually harvested between June and September. 2. Cleaning tomatoes. After harvesting tomatoes, they are washed in water to clean them. Tomatoes are washed to remove insects or other contaminants. 3. Boiling tomatoes. After cleaning the tomatoes, they are boiled. Boiling softens the skins of the tomatoes and releases the juice from the tomatoes. Tomatoes are usually boiled at 100 to 120 degrees Celsius. 4. Tomato blending. After boiling the tomatoes, they are blended in a blender. Blending combines the pulp and juice of the tomatoes. 5. Tomato filtering. After the tomatoes are blended, they are filtered through a filter. Filtering removes seeds and other large particles from tomatoes. 6. Concentrating tomatoes. After filtering the tomatoes, they are concentrated. Thickening reduces tomato volume and enhances flavor. Tomatoes are usually concentrated at 100 to 120 degrees Celsius. 7. Adding tomato spices. After the tomatoes are thickened, spices are added to them. Salt, sugar, vinegar and pepper are usually added to tomato ketchup. 8. Bottling tomatoes. After adding spices to the tomatoes, they are bottled. By bottling, tomato ketchup can be stored for a long time. The process of making tomato ketchup can vary from factory to factory. But the mentioned steps are the most common methods.